Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to transfer GCredit to GCash wallet. Ever wonder if you can transfer your GCredit balance to your GCash wallet? Let's clear that up. GCredit is basically a credit line within GCash, a short-term borrowable amount available once you're fully verified and maintain a good G score. It's designed for in-app transactions like paying bills, scanning QR codes, or serving as a backup when your wallet balance is low. However, you can't convert GCredit into actual cash or transfer it to your GCash wallet balance. That's because GCredit is a loan based product, and turning it into cash would pose financial and regulatory risks. So while it's great for payments and purchases, it's not meant for withdrawals or sending money. If you ever need funds in your wallet, you have to top up using your other payment method instead. In short, G credit is for spending, not for sending. So use it wisely to build a better G score and enjoy higher credit limits in the future. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.